I'm Mitch Hampton, the host of Journey Evidence Thee, and that is the theme music, of course, to my regular book lunch, which I do monthly. I choose a book of my own taste and preference and interest, and this Wednesday on November 9th at noon, I have chosen to discuss Don Delillo's 1984 classic, contemporary classic, White Noise, which, among other things, is actually going to be a motion picture released, I believe, on Netflix in December. And this is just about the novel. And I did read the novel when it came out in '84, and I reread it for this lunch. And I was again bowled over by its prescience and humor and relevance and seriousness. And it's a wonderful novel, and it is. I look forward to discussing it with you on Wednesday, and hopefully you'll be there and you will get something out of it. Thank you.